What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn something new. Before I have a discussion, let me have this quote first. That life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. So because this lesson will be all about linear equation, let's define first. The definition of a linear equation. A linear equation is an equation of the form y is equal to mx plus b, where m and b are real numbers and m should not be equal to 0. This is in slope-intercept form. Linear equation can also be written in standard form. Linear equation in standard form is written as ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. These are examples of linear equations in different form. We have y is equal to 3x plus 4, y is equal to negative x, y is equal to 1/2 x minus 1, 2x minus y is equal to 5, and 3x plus 5y minus 15 is equal to 0. Note that each forms can be easily rewritten in another form. Now let's have some examples. Rewrite each linear equation in the form y is equal to mx plus b, then determine the value of m and b. I have here 4 examples and let's solve. Our given is 4x minus y is equal to 1. To solve the given example, we have to transfer negative y to the other side, and what we're going to do is to add it to both sides. Once we add it, negative y will be cancelled and the remaining on the left side will be the 4x, and on the right side it will become 1 plus y. Next is to subtract 1 from both sides, so it will become 4x minus 1 is equal to y. Now applying the symmetric property of equality, your equation now is y is equal to 4x minus 1. Thus, the value of m is equal to 4 and the value of b is equal to negative 1. Second example, the given is 3 over 2x plus 1/3 y plus 1 is equal to 0. Multiply both sides by the LCD, which is 6. 3 over 2x times 6 is equal to 9x, since 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Divide by 2 is equal to 9. Copy the x variable, and then 1/3 y times 6 is equal to 2y, since of course 1 times 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, and then 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Our part of our solution now is 9x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So we have now 9x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Since our format of our equation should be y is equal to mx plus b, we have to make sure that the remaining variable on the left side is y and the rest will be on the right side. To do that, we have to subtract 9x plus x from both sides. So what will remain now is 2y is equal to negative 9x minus 6. Divide both sides by 2. We do this to make sure that y there is no numerical coefficient of y, and the rest again will be on the right side. So once we divide it, 2y divided by 2 is equal to y, and then negative 9 over 2x minus 6 divided by 2 is equal to negative 3. So our equation now in y is equal to mx plus b form is y is equal to negative 9 over 2x minus 3. Thus, our m is negative 9 over 2 and our b is negative 3. Our third example is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is our given. Okay, to start our solution following the format y is equal to mx plus b, we have to make sure that y is on the left side and the rest is on the right side. So we have to remove 2x on the left side, and to do that we have to subtract 2x from both sides. So once we subtract it, the remaining variable y is now on the left side, so it will become 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. Next is to divide both sides by 3 so that the variable y is the remaining variable on the left side. So it will now become, dividing it by 3, it will now become y is equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 2, since 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And thus, our m now is equal to negative 2 over 3 and our b is equal to 2. Now let's have our last example. The given is x over 2 plus y over 5 is equal to 3. Since our given example are fractions, so we have to make it into whole numbers. So to do that, we have to multiply both sides by the LCD, which is 10. The answer now will become 5x plus 2y is equal to 30, since x over 2 times 10 is equal to 5x, since 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Y over 5 times 10 will become 2y, since 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, and 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Subtracting 5x from both sides so that 2y will remain on the left side and the rest is on the right side. So it will now become 2y is equal to negative 5x plus 30. Or simply say that 5x will be transposed to the other side. From positive, it will become negative. Next is to divide both sides by 2 so that y will remain on the left side. So it will now become y is equal to negative 5 over 2x plus 15, since 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Thus, our m is equal to negative 5 over 2 and our b is equal to 15. Next on our activity will be rewriting linear equation in standard form or in ax plus by plus c. I have here 4 given examples. Okay, for the first example, the given is y is equal to negative 9x plus 2. This is our given. So for the solution, what we're going to do is to simply add 9x on both sides. So once we do that, 9x plus, it will become 9x plus y, and negative 9x will be eradicated, and the remaining on the right side will be 2. So this is now our equation in standard form. The answer is 9x plus y is equal to 2. Our second example now is 2x over 3 minus y over 4 is equal to 1. This is our given, and by multiplying both sides by 12, we will be able to make it into its standard form. 2x over 3 times 12 is equal to 8x, since 12 times 2 is equal to 24, divided by 3 is equal to 8. Y over 4 times 12 is equal to negative 3y, since 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, and 1 times 12 is equal to 12. The answer is 8x minus 3y is equal to 12 in standard form. Our third example, y is equal to 3 over 2 minus 2x. This is our given. To solve this one, we simply have to multiply both sides by 2. So it will now become 2y is equal to 3 minus 4x. And then next is to add 4x on both sides. So it will now become 4x plus 2y is equal to 3. This is now our equation in standard form. For our last example, the given is y minus 1/2 is equal to 2 times the quantity of x plus 1. The next step is to apply the distributive property and multiply both sides by 2. This is to remove the parentheses and to make 1/2 a whole number. So the answer now will become 2y minus 1 is equal to 4x plus 4. The next thing that we have to do is to transpose 2y to the right side and 4 to the left side. Take note of the signs when transposing. 2y will become negative and 4 will also become negative since we are going to transfer it. So it will now become negative 1 minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 2y. Negative 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 5 equal to 4x minus 2y. And then applying the symmetric property, our equation now in standard form is equal to 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 5. Okay, now your turn. You have to transform each linear equation into the form y is equal to mx plus b. I have here 3 given examples. The first one is x plus y is equal to 2. The second is negative 3x minus 18y equals 15. And number 3 is 8x minus 2y is equal to 4. And now is for your activity now, you have to give the equivalent linear equation in standard form or in ax plus by is equal to c.